How to enable Assistive Touch to take a screenshot on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Assistive Touch and use it to take screenshots easily on your iPhone without pressing physical buttons. So let's get started. So if any of the physical buttons on your iPhone is not working or you just want to have an easier way to take screenshot using Assistive Touch, I've got you covered. First of all, you gotta head over to your settings and then you gotta click on accessibility over here, that is just below general. And once you do so, you're gonna scroll down till the section of physical and motor, and then you gotta click on touch. And here you gotta click on Assistive Touch. And here, if your Assistive Touch is active, you'll be able to see the toggle button on with green color. However, if it is not active, you'll be able to see in gray color and it would be toggled off. So you're going to simply turn it on, and then you're going to scroll down and select your custom actions. You can either customize top level menu to add the screenshot button, or you can, custom actions such as single tap, double tap, or long press. In my case, I have selected long press. So you're going to click on long press and scroll down till you find the screenshot option. Simply click on that and your Assistive Touch has now been customized for a screenshot. Now let us try taking a screenshot using Assistive Touch. So what you're going to do is here you can see that this is Assistive Touch. So I'm going to long press on it, and you'll notice that a screenshot has been taken successfully. So that is basically how you can enable Assistive Touch to take screenshot on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.